Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these M&M Meats cabbage rolls. I've never tried their cabbage rolls, but I got really good reviews, so I'm gonna review it for you guys. And first things first, here are the ingredients. As you can see, if you want to read it, pause the video of course. Tomatoes, cabbage, onions, rice, sugar, salt, vinegar, and some garlic and spices. Here's the nutrient panel, and let's open this up. Okay, so as you can see, here's the cabbage rolls. Yeah, it's got some good weight to it. It's 907 grams. So, I'm gonna actually cook this in the Instant Pot. So I'm just gonna break it out of the wrapper and then cook in the Instant Pot, just to cook it up. And then yeah, I'll do a quick taste test. Stay tuned, guys. Be right back. Here's the cabbage roll that I got out of the Instant Pot here. So we're gonna do a quick taste test. Here it is. Got really good flavor actually. You can taste the meat and the tomato sauce and spices, and the meat is nice and soft. So yeah, it's almost like it almost tastes like a cabbage rolled up sausage. So definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.